Windows 11 has dropped KB5068861 for both the 25H2 and 24H2 versions, and it's shaping up to be one of the most crucial updates of the year. But, of course, with any big update, there are some hiccups. Many users are reporting installation failures, and others are having issues with File Explorer and SMB searches on network shares. Don't worry though. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the entire process, whether you're upgrading, troubleshooting, or just curious about what's changed. Let's dive in. KB5068861 brings several notable updates. First, the Start menu has been revamped. There's no more All button, and it now offers 3 new view modes. The battery icon has been upgraded to show color-coded percentages directly on the taskbar. Additionally, over 170 system vulnerabilities have been fixed, and issues like the Task Manager not closing and lag in File Explorer have been addressed. The Copilot+PC AI features have also been improved. However, keep in mind that these new features are being rolled out in stages, so you might not see them right away. If the update hasn't appeared yet, simply go to Windows Update and click Check for Updates. If you run into download issues or error codes, you can manually download the update from the Microsoft Update catalog. That said, many users have reported problems with the update failing to install, especially with error codes like 0x80070306. If you're stuck with one of those, here are a few things you can try. If you're stuck on the update failed screen and don't know what went wrong, try the built-in Windows Update Troubleshooter, which can automatically detect and fix common update problems. It's super simple to use. Just head over to Settings, System, Troubleshoot, then Other Troubleshooters. Find Windows Update and run it. Let Windows do its thing, and fingers crossed, it'll resolve the issue for you. Method 2. Clear the update cache. Sometimes, the update files get corrupted or stuck, and this prevents the installation from going smoothly. Clearing the cache is a quick fix that's worked for a lot of people. To do this, go to this location and delete everything in that folder. Once you've done that, restart your PC and check for updates again. It's a simple step, but it can make a big difference. Sometimes updates fail because system files are corrupted or missing. Running the system file checker will automatically scan for and repair them. So search CMD in the taskbar and run it as administrator. Type C/scano and hit enter. This will scan your system for any corrupted files and fix them. If SFC fixes your issue, you're good to go. If not, use DISM for a more thorough repair. Continue by entering the following command: DISM/online/cleanupimage/restore help. After completing this command, please restart your computer for the repair to take effect. Method 4. Delete temporary files and old update data. Windows Update caches or temporary files may interfere with updates. Delete unnecessary files to keep the system clean. Start System from Windows Settings. Open Storage, then Temporary Files. Select the files you don't need, and then click Remove File. Method 5. Recovery loss file with 4DDIG data recovery, just in case. If your PC crashes during the update process, or if the update causes files to become inaccessible, 4DDIG data recovery can scan your drive and recover lost or damaged files. Just choose the location you want to recover. Hit Scan, then hit Scan selected file types and wait. Give it a try. Now, a few users are reporting that after updating KB5068861, File Explorer can't index SMB servers properly, which means the search function stops working on network drives. The only known workaround to restore functionality is to uninstall KB5068861. You can do this by going to Settings, Windows Update, Update History, Uninstall Updates. Select KB5068861 and hit Uninstall. Once you've done that, restart your computer, and that should do the trick. So, that's everything you need to know about this month's Windows 11 update. Hopefully, this helps you avoid the frustration of update errors and network issues. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips and updates. See you